How to reduce photo file size on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Photos application in your mobile device and just like that, find and tap on the image you want to reduce the size to open it in full screen. Now tap on this eye icon to see the original size of the photo. After that, simply tap on the share button, scroll down and then tap on saved files. Now simply tap on save to store the image in your file. After that, head back to your home screen and then open the file application in your mobile device and then tap and hold on the image until a pop-up menu appears. After that, simply tap on quick actions and now you will be able to find an option that says convert image. Tap onto it. Now in the pop-up menu, simply select JPEG and now you'll see options like medium, small, large and original. To reduce the file size, you can simply choose small or medium. You'll see a photo that has been reduced. Tap onto it and that's it. Your photo file size is now smaller. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.